Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's having a great day as we prepare to finish off 2024 and get ready for 2025. But just wanted to touch base with you. First of all, I apologize for not getting out videos. I've been traveling. I'm finally back at home, so I will be able to push out more videos. You'll probably get another one later today. But for those who don't know who I am, my name is GB Woods, also known as the AI Educator, as you see up here in the top left. But I wanted to touch base with you as far as um, what's going on. And affiliation marketing is the biggest thing that's happening right now for people online, and people are trying to find ways to make money. Now, I'll tell you this: using affiliate marketing is not going to earn you. It's not a quick thing. It takes time, and if you see on the screen right now, this is a checklist. This has been given to me and given to everybody who joins this group for free. And everything I'm going to show you today is free. And this checklist is free. All you have to do is put teach in the comments below, and I can send you the link for that. Or you can just click on the link below in the comments. I'm ready to help you. And this is not just for people who are tech savvy. This is from anybody from scratch. If you join our group, you would be able to see that. But I wanted to show you some of the things that we have in here. First off, if you look at this checklist, the essential tool setup, these are the things for online for. These are the things that you need to set up. Let me take a step back. I'm sorry. The first thing you need to do is watch this video here. It starts here. Chase Reiner, who has been given this to all of us, has made an absurd amount of money. He could be charging us for these tools and everything, but he's actually giving it to us for free, and he's teaching us how to expand and be successful on our own. And also, after you sign up, here is Spotter Studio. You go there and you sign up. Today is the last day to sign up to for opportunity to win $25,000, and it is 20,000 for one person and 1,000 for four others. So I'm sorry, that's why I teach computers, not math. But it's 20,000 for one person and 1,000 for five others that you can win. But today's the last day. You got to do that before midnight today so you can have this. And the great thing about this thing is you have 60 days to try it out. So GoHighLevel is the first thing. And this is what it looks like. Obviously, I only have 3 clicks right here. I haven't been able to get videos out, so I expect that. I've done a 30-day free trial, and I will be doing this until the end of January. So we'll see where it takes us. But at the same time, for people who have tried this out, being successful is one person like Alex Kinney. He started out a couple of months ago, and you can see right here, he's already got 1.26 subscribers, 1.26 thousand subscribers. And he started from zero, and it shows us as well. He started his own path, but he's also a part of Chase's group, and it's a great thing. Uh, and what I'm about to show you, like I said, is absolutely free. I'm not trying to charge you anything. Nothing is going to be charged today. So this is not one of those, oh, I got to pay more money for this. Everything that you see here is free. And they encourage you to find things that is working right now, and it's great. So you find things that work and use it for yourself, and watch how it works for you. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get thumbnails using Canva. Now you can use Spotter, and I'll go over that. I said that in my last video that I was going to do Spotter, but there's been some discrepancies and issues with my link, so you'd be able to see it. So when I do show Spotter, unfortunately, it won't be with the $25,000 giveaway. Excuse me, but it is something that's a very, very resourceful tool that you can use, and go from there. So what I'm about to show you is um, a way to be able to capture thumbnails and use them for yourself. So the first thing is I went over to Alex Kinney's website, and he tells us the best thing to do is get something that's working. And if you see all these videos here, several, lots and lots of views, which is great. But I haven't made any money. So what point is it for me to use something like make $1,000 per day? I did that, but I'm going to just be real um, and just do the real thing. So what I'm going to do is show you how to grab a thumbnail. So Control Shift or Window Shift, I'm sorry, and you can grab that. I'm sorry. Let's try that again. So what I'm going to do is just grab Snipping Tool. You can do that. That's on for those that have a Mac. I don't think you can do that, but for this, I'm going to grab this one, just the thumbnail, and let's do that again. Let's do a new one. Control C or copy and going over to Canva. Now I've already made one because I expect to make money in the future, but I'm not using that one right now. This one right here, where it says 1,000 a day, just something I was playing with earlier. But you want to go to when you get to Canva, you want to go to YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 720, and open up a new one. And when you do that, you can hit Control V to paste the one I just got. You can make it any size. You can make it bigger. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is make it yourself. So I want to make sure it's okay. So the next thing to do is come over here to the side. And again, Canva is free as well. And text. So add text. Comes in here. Earn daily. Down there for free. Okay. So you want to make that bigger. Obviously, you want to put it over here. Make that bigger. Make it yourself. I know you can't see it right now, and you'll be able to see it in a minute. But you want it to look just like this, but you want to add it to your for yourself. So let me leave this as white. Change the font to where'd it go? Leak Spartan. Okay. Let's change this to yellow. See that? It's hard to see with the background the way it is, but you want to make this, like I said, you want to make this your own. Let's expand it. And as you can see, I'm a beginner as well. So even though I have computer skills, doesn't mean that I'm going to do this perfect either. We're all learning and growing. But you do that, and you get an arrow. You go to Elements. Let's go with arrow. Let's go with a yellow arrow. Let's see if they have one. There we go. And this one is one of the ones that you have to pay for. Let's see. Let's see all. Let's see if we can get you a. There we go. These are all with the crowns are the ones you have to pay for. So this one, let's go with this one. And you can rotate it. So let's rotate it. Click this, move it. Oops. There we go. Move that. There. Okay. It all looks kind of messed up right now, but at the same time, just follow me along. Okay. So the next thing you want to do, and I'll put this prompt in the link in the description below. Let's go with. I already did one earlier, but here's the prompt: make me a hyper realistic robot that is that has gears and that has gears. A realistic robot. I'm sorry, with gears that is silver and blue eyes. And I know you can only do this a couple of times before ChatGPT cut you off and let you know this is in if you're doing the free one. And that's fine. There's other options out there, and I'll show you. All right. So you download this. I think that worked. And then you go back over to ChatGPT. You go to uploads. They did gold. I'm going to do silver because I want it to be my own. So let's go to uploads. Let's find that. Let's go with that one. And you click that. It's in there. Now, let's make it bigger to fit the size. Perfect. Not really, but it's perfect for this. Okay. So Canva allows you to have a 30-day free trial, and it's awesome to use it. So what I'm going to do, because you can only use this with your free trial or with the paid, so I'm going to go and BG remover background, remove the background, and you can still see it, but at the same time, you come over here, have that. I don't know if you can see that, but you see this purple around the whole thing, and then you hit backspace. Everything is gone. Let's change these words. Let's see. Some people might not like this one. I'm a Steelers fan, so let's go with black and yellow. I might lose some of y'all because of that, but for free. And then you go and get a Chat GPT logo, and you can use that. And so, matter of fact, let's go back over, do this. Let's grab this one, snipping tool. Let's do it again. New. And let's get this Chat GPT logo for ours. Okay. Copy. Paste. See if it does it allow. Yep. So let's go here. Let's see what happens if I do BG remover. Nothing. Okay. So all right. So let's go back and let's get a better version of that by using the snipping tool. There. Much better. Copy. Paste. There you go. I'm going to turn this arrow, this a little bit there. I'm going to put it back some. And let's go also, let's add some elements for this. Let's go with written elements. Let's go with text. Where's it at? There's a way to add some better designs on it. Oh, I know where it's at. So you come over here and effects. And you can add a shadow, space, outline. Let's do an outline. There you go. So let's go with a red as the outline. And you can change the thickness of it, of the outline. Let's go with red. There we go. You know what? In spite of my black and yellow favorites, let's go with black as well. Okay. And there you have it. Now I have my thumbnail that I can use for a couple of days and go from there. And like I said, none of this is we're not charging you right now. I mean, right now, it's not going to be charged at all. These aren't paid courses that you have. This is nothing that you have to pay for. This is for free, and we are helping and wanting to see others excel. I'm a middle school teacher, and I wanted to do something as a side hustle to help me not have to go and do another job, 9 to 5, when school is out. Right now, I have to do work during the summers to help make ends meet. And I wanted to find a different way, not only to help myself, but to help others. That's my nature. I always loved helping people, and that's what I want to do. And if this is what I can do to help others, let's do it. So let's learn and grow together. Go to this checklist to be a part of this and learn. Go to this Discord right here and meet others that are learning the same way. This is not a quick money scheme. This is not a quick money thing. It's not going to happen overnight. This is to help you become familiar with affiliate marketing and to help you learn how to use AI tools that will also help you earn income as more people click on your links to learn how to do these different AI tools. So please, please, please join us before it gets too late. Um, don't forget to like and subscribe in the comments below and hit teach or type in teach, and I'll be able to send you this. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless. Happy New Year.